What is good, y'all? Today we are going to dance. I have dance rehearsals for my song Dangerous. I'm so excited. I've never danced to my own song publicly before. I'm gonna guess the moves and then we'll see if I was accurate. That was the choreographer's vision.
Better run up fast enough. Thought I wouldn't catch it bluff. Boo-hoo, now you got it rough. I don't play no games, you grown. Raise my number from your phone. Run that back and check your tone. Living in this world so cold. I got the gold.
She is our artist for the weekend, the hour. There's 3 sections total, so we have 4 dancer sections, 6 dancer section, and then all 10 section. Yeah.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went hit from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tag. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spend shit on gas.
$150, I be at the strippy club. Whiskey sippy cup, I be on like Disney Plus. Empress New Grove, on my cheese blue. Bitch got a twin, and she let me hit it.
Hold up.
Freaky little mommy wanna suck me till I sleep. I can't even lie, yeah, she being a little creep. Now she wanna airdrop me, pick double D's. And she don't charge a fee, they for free.
Drip Eliante, pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went hit from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the.
Good job. I love y'all so much. Go home, get some rest. I'll see y'all in the morning. Yeah?
All right, y'all, so it's 12:17 a.m. The shoot is at 7 a.m. So we're about to get it. I'm excited. So today is shoot day. And I overslept. I don't know how I overslept. I was like so excited for the shoot. Like I was just like kind of laying there awake waiting for my first alarm to ring. And it rings and it's 6:45, not 5:30. Maybe my other alarms didn't ring. They must have not ring because I did like 4 alarms. It's okay, we're 10 minutes away. People are arriving, let's get it.
I've been signing on the city lights. All this doubt around me, damn it, look, I got it right. Don't you try to hit me, now you live a petty life. All those nights I lay awake, I pray for better life. Now I wake up with a baddie like I said I might. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. This a better life, you never tried, I bet it right. You been stuck just where you at because you never tried. Want a better life, I had a time, I bet it right. Yeah, I just took a chance and yeah, let me right. Look, I just took a chance and yeah, I rolled the dice. Yeah, women I'll be bad because the folk was nice. But yeah, I must admit that this ain't.
It's going down. It's going down, 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 down. It's going down, down, it's going down, down, down.
That make my mind scared, hold me hostage and they don't fight fair. Who gon' pray for me and wipe on my tears? Who gon' save me if you not right here? Move this darkness and make my sight clear. Take me your way cause I don't like here. Ghosts of my past, they feeling the night air. Wake me up, I'm trapped in my nightmares. Wake me up, I'm trapped in my nightmares. voice of all my demons. All my thoughts are committing treason. All alone, who gon' hear me screaming? Manifestations of my fears, regrets that stretched out for light years. Can almost touch the light, homie, it's right there. Body free but trapped in my nightmares. Wake me up, don't let me drown. All the lights are fading now. All my life is fading now. All my